Alright, our base is completed, and now we've got a bolt. I've got it setting on top of the underside of the bench top, and we have to bolt this. We're going to bolt this with 1/2 inch galvanized, if I can get them out of here, lag bolts with a washer, of course. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my mallet and I'm going to mark. I've got a 1/2 inch bit here, and I'm going to put that down in the, and I'm going to smack it really good. And I'm going to have a heck of a time getting it loose. That's all right. There we are. I'm going to mark that. I'm going to mark all the holes. And I'm smacking it hard. I'm not being kind or gentle or any such thing. And we're going to struggle a bit getting it out. And what I'm going to do, if I can ever get it out, Booger's being a bear. There we go. Because I'm going to slide this back. And I'm going to unplug my camera and laptop from the cord that I have out here. I don't know what it's going to do. It should switch to battery and there shouldn't be any difficulties or any changes you notice. But I'm going to do that. And plug a drill in. Normally we would use a hand drill, but I'm just trying to get this thing done at this point. I've got a piece of tape marking the depth. And what's wrong with my drill bit? There we go. And if I didn't say, I'm using a 7/16. Let me cut that off. A 7/16. drill bit for a 1/2 inch bolt. Alright, we're back. I've got them, the bolts positioned, drilled, holes drilled, all that jazz. We're just going to bolt this on down. Now I probably could have used a drill with a socket on the end of it or whatever, but this works just fine. Does the job and allows me to feel how tight I'm cranking down on these lag bolts, which is important to me. done. She's not coming loose. Should work just fine. Now the next step, let me set this over here real quick. The next step is to install the vise. We're going to attempt to mount this face vise, a really nice vise that I got really cheap at the flea market. And in order to do that, this vise uses the end of the face of the bench as the back side of the clamp. But my bench is softwood. So I'm going to put a piece of maple here. I've already got 2 screws, one in each corner, and I have took a brad point bit and recessed these holes so the heads of the screws will sink in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little machine screws, I guess is what you'd call them. They're stainless steel, so I don't have to worry about rust or anything like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and bolt that on in there. And I'm just checking to see if you can see what I'm doing, because I don't want to, it wouldn't make any sense to block everybody's way if I'm trying to do a video, that kind of thing. So, and I have pre-drilled these holes into the bench. So, and I normally, I've seen guys mount vices like this, and they'd put like 2 or 3 holes in here. But this is an outdoor bench. It's going to move. So I want as many points of contact along here as I can so that it does, this outer board doesn't crush, warp, or carry on. That kind of deal. So that's the thinking on that anyway. And this is maple, so it should last a good long while. This is maple too. This wood I lucked out on this vise at the flea market, but I'm going to put it all the way up against. If I can, hold on a minute. I need to move this because the weight. Now, I don't know what that did to the camera angle. I need to look at that. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, I'm probably going to lift the camera up, so just hold on a minute. Should have probably used the socket from that drill, but I'd switched my battery for my laptop. It's going dead. That is what the little snafu was, and why I had to edit this area here of this video. Now I have a bolt here, but I think that it is going to, I think the head of these bolts is going to interfere here, and what I should have done is pull that all the way out, unscrew it from here and all that, but I ain't playing that game. There's a bolt hole. There's a hole here, a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. And if I have to, I'll just bolt it right there. Not really worried about it. One way or the other will work just fine. Matter of fact, I may come back with some more 1/4" lag bolts back into all of those holes as well, just because I have those holes there. Might be a good idea to go ahead and use them. And you can hear my battery is low. So alright. 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 It's time to turn this over, if I can, onto its sun. Alright. That's done. Bench. Finished. Now, I'll come back and I'm going to cap this end with maple and cap this end with maple. The reason is I'm capping both ends is I'm going to cap this end with maple and then build what's known as a planing stop out of maple. Go on this end and I'm just going to cap this other end just to make things look homogeneous and even and all. But thanks for watching and coming along with me. I will probably take a plane, and now that the bench is it's not on level ground right now, but now that the bench is done, then I will probably plane it flat. So thanks for watching. God bless you. This concludes the building of my bench. Like I say, I will put a planing stop on the end of it later. That'll be for another day. God bless you. Thank you.